What we got in here then?
Got some maggots we're using today.
Keep the pressure on, keep the rod up, that's it. Don't.
Oh yeah, it's a good one, my mate. I can see it come up in there.
That's it. Try and keep it, so now we're not to move the rod that way, look, so we'll try and steer it away.
Okay guys, we're fish on. Nice carp, guys.
Slow down, he is a nice one.
It's common.
It is.
Nice common carp.
No, concentrate. It's important to concentrate.
Right guys, we've got a nice common carp on. It's out. And that. Show them to you in a minute. Yep, I'll see. I'll have a look.
Don't pull on it because you'll have
Let
a false
go.
weight.
£2.
There you go.
Hey, good job.
Nice one, guys. What a start, guys. A nice £2 common. Oh, I'm really happy for that. There's a carp. Oh, it's a tank, chill roach. Oh, it's a carp. It's a carp, guys. Go. He's having a roll.
No, don't try and steer him away. That's it. Remember, watch where the float is now because you don't want to bring in too much line. You just want to wait until he's a bit tired.
Right, slow down a bit. Guide him this way.
Don't reel
That's
in
it.
anymore.
Oh, it's
Don't
another
reel in
common. Another common, guys.
Right, steer him towards the net. And if he's not ready, he'll go. Yeah. Now steer him round again.
Get ready, Daddy. Get ready.
Don't reel in anymore.
Here he comes.
Don't reel in anymore. I just
Dexter.
said don't reel in anymore. That's it. Now.
Oh,
I think
Dexter,
now-
concentrate. Not. All right.
Oh, it's a perch. It's perch, Daddy. Perch, guys. It's a little one, though. Yeah, I'm trying to put him back.
Good. Go on then.
He went straight under there. Oh, yeah, he's fighting. Oh, yeah. Wait. He's not big. He's not really big.
There was two there. There was one with him.
He's not very
There
big.
is. Look, there's one following him. See?
Ah.
You're a good lad. Bit more. Guide him this way. That's it. Good boy. Well done.
He's not that big.
Doesn't matter. Keep
Guys,
going.
I think we've got a mirror. Guys, we've got a mirror. Yeah, it's a mirror.
That's it. Guide him over. That's it. Stop.
Yeah, it's a
Yay!
mirror, isn't it?
Yeah.
Daddy, you said that was a big one. It's not that big.
The big one was chasing him. Did you see him?
Yeah.
Good job, buddy. Hey!
I'm chasing for it.
Right, don't put it anymore now. No, it's not ready yet. Oh, we got him.
So what we got this time, Dexter?
Common. What's common? A little scratch on him, but I think we have to weigh this one. He's quite big.
Very good, mate. Well done.
168. So that's
Hi. Very cool, mate.
He's big.
No, you're not reeling. You're gonna have to pull him through them weeds now.
Good job, mate. Keep going.
That's it. That's
Well
it.
done.
That's it.
Good job, mate. Keep going.
Is he?
Massive.
Is he?
You found a good old spot.
Is he?
Look at him. Look at him. He's big.
Good lad. Keep going. Ride him. Good boy. Well done.
Oh, it's coming. It's coming.
Yeah.
It's big.
That's it. Ride
Concentrate.
him.
Just concentrate.
Good boy. Well done.
No, he's not ready. This is part of the fun, mate. Just keep the pressure on.
Keep him. That's it. Keep
He's
going.
hurting my wrist.
Yeah.
Ow. My wrist. Ow.
Got him.
Yeah. Well done. Whoa.
Oh,
Look
he's...
at him.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah.
Yeah. 230.
Whoa. Wow. Good job, mate.
This is
That's
what
it.
we were here for, guys.
Good boy. Woo.
He's a mon-
Okay.
Okay.
common.
It's alright. Right. Wind a bit. Down. That's it. Now slow down. No, 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 no.
You hold it steady. Very good. Good job, mate.
No, no.
Nice one, mate.
Not too high.
I'm trying to get him in the right angle.
Good job. Well done.
Is this the big one you saw that day?
It could be, but that's you're doing it perfect at the minute. Right, like that. Keep the rod up and you don't need to wind anymore for the moment. Don't need to wind anymore at the moment. Don't. Just keep the rod high.
Come on, guys, we've got one.
Final fish of the day.
Steer him this way.
Final fish of the day, guys. I might have one more go while our parents set up.
Don't wind anymore. Okay? I need enough line to get him in the net. That's him.
Whoa! Is that the big one you saw, Daddy?
It's one of them.
Don't look.
1.5.
1.50.
Another good one. Say bye bye.
Bye, guys.